Welcome back everyone to JJ Central DIY channel. Today we're going to be seeing how to charge a non-Tesla vehicle on a Tesla Supercharger using a Vortex plug from Lectron. And this is a DC adapter and it's super useful in the most reliable Tesla network. You can just plug this in and charge pretty much any car at this point. Let's open this box and see what's inside. First, it's really well packed, a nice heavy feel, and we have two cards here, one for the extended warranty, a 3-year extended warranty and a 2-year limited warranty, I believe, and then also a QR code that indicates a user manual in a digital form as well. So here is the actual adapter plug that you see from Lectron. It is nice and heavy, rated for 1,000 volts, and perfectly compatible with the NACS on this side and CCS on the other side. So it goes from Tesla to any other older vehicle standard. So to charge your EV, you open a Tesla app or your own Volvo or Chevy or whoever's app and connect that to the Supercharger. I'm picking 1C here because that's the Supercharger bay I'm in, and start the charging session. If you already have an account with Tesla, it's super easy. And if not, I suggest you open an account with Tesla and put in your card in there so you can just plug and play. And all you have to do is put the adapter in and make sure your car blinks green or whatever your indicator is, and it starts charging. That's about it. There's no complication here, no software to install in terms of the adapter itself, and you can monitor everything on the Tesla app, which is perfect. Now I'm stopping the session after 20 minutes, and you can see tells me what to do at that point, and all I'm doing is unplugging by clicking on the bottom to remove the Tesla's NACS adapter, or I can click the top to remove the actual Lectron Vortex adapter that is plugged into the CCS DC port right here. As you can see, one on the top, one click on the bottom. That's all it takes. And store it safely, and off you go. And here's the website, and this is where you could buy it. It's on sale for $199 now. The volt is 500 amps, 1000 volts rated. That is in par with the Tesla's new V4 and V3 superchargers with the super fast charging. And it's also compatible with Ford, General Motors, Polestar, Rivian, Volvo, and all the other electric cars. And it's not compatible with few that Tesla hasn't opened up yet. What you see here, Audi, BMW, Kia, and all that. But it's coming up pretty soon. I hope the video was useful to know how to charge a non-Tesla EV on a Tesla Supercharger. Support me by hitting a subscribe or like, or at least buying this product, whatever you want to do, and I'll see you in the next video.